So I'm just going to give the people some time to come on and chat with me, talk money. That's what we do here. We talk money, wealth strategy, saving and investing for the future, how to create generational wealth, how to create more freedom in your life to do the things that you want to do. So one thing I do want to share with you, if you have not had an opportunity to read or get my new book, Live Freely, Freedom to Work Whenever, Wherever, I will be offering the ebook free on this coming Monday and this Tuesday in honor of MLK birthday and holiday. So save the date. I do have a post on my page and a link to the ebook, but it will not be free until Monday. Let's see. Hi everyone. Hi Christina. Hi. I hope I'm not jacking up your name. Kofu. I think that's my Ghanaian friend. Billy was good. Billy was good. Hi everyone. Thank you for joining me. I'm Sapphire Star. Welcome to my world. I say that all the time on my YouTube channel. Welcome to my world. Just want to bring everybody in because for 2K21 is all about wealth and prosperity, and I want not only for myself, but I want all of us to get on that freedom train, as my friend likes to say. Hi, come on in. Real quick, I'm just going to talk about how to save and lose weight in 2K21. A lot of times, this is the beginning of year and everyone is focused or ready to reset and come up with goals, or what we call our New Year's resolution, on how we're going to be better in this year. And I think maybe the top two resolutions is always about money and weight, which I think is great. I think that's awesome. And don't let anyone tell you, because people have a tendency to be like, oh, well, that's really cliche. You should be doing this 365. Listen, I am all for setting goals. Don't let anyone tell you when you shouldn't, because if you don't have any goals set up, if you don't have any plans, fail to plan to fail. So if this is the time where you're like, you know what, I'm gonna get my life together, so be it. I'm here for you. Okay, so I just want to share really quickly. I'm gonna keep saying that because I love it. It's so beautiful out here today. I want to turn the camera, but I'm always afraid. Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you, Billy. Thank you very much. Thank you, Pascal, my Trinidadian friend. I have friends all over the world. That's why I'm always like, hello, good morning, good day. Pascal's always be like, good night. And I'm like, okay, bye. But in Trinidad, they say good everything, and that means that's your greeting. So good night is really hello, not usually, when we say good night, that means it's over. But not in Trinidad, that's not the case. But focus, Sapphire, focus. Got my shirt on here, thick and rich, because you can be thick, you can be healthy, and you can be wealthy. I think it's very important. And I say this in my book, health is wealth. What good is wealth if your health is trash? I'm just going to be all the way 100. What good is that doing you? And really, our healthcare system in America, which we all have seen that it could and needs improvement. And it's very expensive. It's very expensive. So what good is spending your entire health and all your life getting this money, and your health is not a priority? So I think it's very important, as we talk about wealth and prosperity in 2K21, that we also focus on our health. And I feel like saving money and losing weight are synonymous. And I'm not saying you have to lose weight to be healthy either. I'm not saying that. But a lot of times people do want to lose weight in order to stay healthy or maintain a healthy weight. So whether you're trying to lose or maintain weight, that's awesome. That's awesome. But the beautiful thing about saving money and losing weight, they can go hand in hand actually. So you don't have to have two different things going on and trying to focus, because obviously with saving, you spend less, you save more, right? Same thing with losing weight. Eat less, lose weight, right? Calories in, calories out. You take less calories in, you lose weight on the other end. So it's kind of like the same concept of doing less to get more, right? Or to getting or achieving your goals. So one thing I wanted to share, one of the things that I've done personally that has saved me money and has allowed me to lose weight is fasting, and more specifically intermittent fasting. So let's talk about the saving piece. Well, let's talk about intermittent fasting and what it is. So basically, in a nutshell, intermittent fasting is you pick a period of time when you start eating and when you stop eating. Basically, for me, I cut breakfast, right? So you pick a feeding window, and you can choose whatever hour span that you want for sharing and teaching purposes. I'll choose a 16-hour fast. So I fast every day for 16 hours, and I begin eating, or I break my fast breakfast at noon, and then I have my last meal anywhere between 7 and 8. So that's an 8-hour feeding window, and then 16 hours of not eating. I make it easy for myself because I'm going to sleep for at least 8 hours. So 8 hours is like a no-brainer, right? You don't even have to think about it, right? And then I don't eat again until noon. Now, the beautiful thing about intermittent fasting is you don't need any fancy equipment. That's savings. You don't need a gym membership. That's savings. Again, residual income. Saving is earning. So if you're saving money, you have the potential to earn money, right? So that $30 a month gym membership that you have, you can take that money, you can save that money, have you an emergency fund, and then invest just like that without creating more money or increasing your income. So you're saving on your grocery bill, because obviously if you're eating less, your grocery bill is going to be significantly less, right? Even if it's an individual or if it's a family, you're still going to save money because by default, less food is being consumed. So that's how you can lose weight and save money. And I've lost 15 pounds in like a month and a half just by intermittent fasting, right? And that's just nutrition. Like I said, the thing about intermittent fasting is no brainer, no equipment, no money have to be spent. Only thing you have to do is decide when you're going to eat. And if you're a traveler like me, that is golden. I can do that anywhere in the world. And then if you add a 20-minute walk every other day to that, or a 20-minute walk 3 times a week, just start with that. Just walk to your mailbox about 5 or 6 times. If you start doing that, you're going to see your health improve. And not just about losing weight, but your mental clarity, right? Remember what I said in my last video, how to create residual income when you broke. Your mindset is your currency, right? And intermittent fasting improves your mind, your body, and your soul. So it's a spiritual awakening, right? It's a physical awakening. It's a mental awakening. I find that if I eat less, I have 10 times more energy than I do when I'm eating more, especially more of things that aren't necessarily good for me. And again, I tell you, saving money. So if you're not eating out as much, saving is earning. That's residual income. That's money that can be invested, right? Bitcoin shot up, I don't know how much percent. It went from 32,000 to 40,000, right? And let's assume that's 100% increase, right? I'm just throwing numbers out, but let's assume that's 100% increase, right? So the money you invested grew 100%. Where are you going to get anywhere? I'll wait. Where are you going to get 100% on your return in 2 to 3 weeks? I'll wait. Nowhere. The stock market is the best vehicle, the best creation there is in the world. And if you can take advantage of it, I implore you to create a strategy. No plan, do. Create a strategy, execute the strategy, right? Again, your health. Create a plan for your health. Decide what time you're going to eat, what you're going to eat, when you're going to eat. No plan, do. And if you combine that with decreased carb intake, which is a ketogenic diet. I do keto, but I call mine lazy keto because I'm just, I don't want to bite people's heads off, So I consider my keto approach as lazy keto, but nonetheless, it takes small actions can give you big returns in your health and in your wealth. And that's what I want to share with you real quick today. Let's see what we got here. Hey, boo, I see you. Love them pies. If you have not tried Lowe's pies, please and thank you. Please go try. He's in the thread. Carlos Chisholm. Oh my God. The best. Please support. That's a Savannah-owned, Black-owned Savannah business. Listen, he's a Savannah native. Please support his business because, again, multiple streams of income. We got to learn how to, offset liabilities, right? We got to figure out how to, go from active income and working for somebody else and to working for ourselves, turning your passions into profit. And that's exactly what he did. And all of us have the ability to do that. Like I told you in another live, you can start a t-shirt business for free. Thick and rich. Who knows where that comes from? And this is for the culture now. This is for the culture. Where did this come from? I'll let you guys figure it out, but I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you if you haven't. Let's see here. I just want to see who else is watching. I just want to, okay. 10 p.m. Yes, it is. Hey, Trinidad. Love it. Yes, what time is it here? I don't have my watch on, but clearly it's still early. I am 5 hours behind the East Coast. So that's my time. It's hard for me to see the comments. I apologize. It's hard for me to see because the sun is shining really, really bright. But I wanted to just go through here really quick. Thank you guys for watching my lives. I promise I'm going to be more consistent. And, just let me know in the comment section exactly what you want to talk about. Our focus here, though, is wealth and prosperity, 2K21. How to create residual income and how to make passive income work for you. And like I said, the t-shirt business, absolutely free. Doesn't cost you anything to invest in your idea. You could take your idea, your currency, like I told you, and manifest this into something tangible that you can then make money from, right? Passive income, because 2 ways to get wealth: increase or residual income. Increase income, right? Decrease expenses. Keep it simple, right? Keep it simple. I don't want to call anybody stupid, but keep it simple. So thick and rich, that comes from syrup. Wait, is that Miss Butterworth? Okay, now I forgot which syrup it was. Is it Miss Butterworth? I think it's Miss Butterworth. God dang it. I get nervous when I'm on here. It's like things go out my head when it's Miss Butterworth syrup because, growing up, we weren't wealthy. We weren't broke, but we weren't wealthy, and we didn't always have meat and potatoes and things to eat. So me and my brothers, we would make syrup sandwiches. I'm not even kidding. So it was about surviving, and that's my hope for everyone that's watching this live, is that we can go with increased financial literacy. We can go from surviving to thriving. So if you need more information, if you want to connect with me, check out my website, organize-kaos.com. That's my business. I talk about creating your own business. I have an LLC, and we offer coaching and consulting services. We help individuals organize their finances to create more